From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. You can see that the Canadian dollar is on the verge of collapsing against the Japanese yen yet again as we are threatening the 102 yen level. When you zoom out on the chart, you can see just how dire this is because it opens up a move down to 100 pretty quickly. After that, we could be talking as low as 95. That being said, it does make a certain amount of sense considering that Canada is in the middle of a tariff war, evidently with the United States and China now. And this will, of course, have ramifications on the Canadian economy. Furthermore, there's a lot of political uncertainty in that country, and therefore it all ties together to make quite a bit of sense that we would see Canadian dollar weakness on the whole, especially when you look at it against the Japanese yen, which of course has a central bank that will probably be tightening monetary policy. Unfortunately, I'm sure that there will be a lot of people out there willing to jump in and buy this dip because it's such significant support. But the fundamentals do not line up with it. In fact, unless something changes quite drastically with the Japanese currency itself that would make it absolutely toxic, it's likely that any rally at this point in time is just going to give you a better place from which to short the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. I'd pay particular interest in the 104 yen level as well as the 105 yen level. That being said, any bounce I think is probably going to struggle to hang on to anything above that area, and quite frankly, I think even that might be a bit difficult at this point. Interest rate differential does favor the Canadian dollar, but it's not like Canada offers a lot in the way of interest. It's probably not going to be enough to make the selling pressure go away anytime soon.